The American robotics company Figure has made significant improvements to the control system of its humanoid robot, Figure 2, enhancing its walking motion to resemble that of a human more closely. This upgrade was achieved through a neural network-based system fully trained in simulation using reinforcement learning, which was then seamlessly transferred to physical robots without needing additional tuning or retraining. Figure, known for developing advanced humanoid robots, has recently concentrated efforts on optimizing its universal control system, called Helix. This system enables robots to quickly acquire new and practical skills. Already, Figure robots are capable of independently manipulating a wide range of objects, including ones they've never seen before, performing tasks like cleaning kitchens or sorting packages on conveyor belts. Until recently, movement wasn't the main focus, and even the second-generation robots walked slowly and somewhat awkwardly, much like the early prototypes. Now, however, the company has tackled this challenge head-on using reinforcement learning. Engineers have trained a neural network algorithm that enables Figure 2 robots to walk faster, more smoothly, and with a gait that is noticeably more human-like. Meanwhile, the developer of hyper-realistic robotic women, IronTech Doll, has released a report from its latest factory, showcasing recent innovations in their Real Lady series. A new video highlights the intricate production process of these high-quality silicone robots, including modeling, casting, assembly, and detailed hand painting. The company places special emphasis on the advanced technologies and craftsmanship involved in achieving lifelike realism and superior product quality. The Real Lady line is a premium series of highly detailed silicone robotic models designed to closely replicate the human form. A key innovation is the use of 1-to-1 scale technology, allowing for exact replicas of the human body, which adds a remarkable level of realism. These models are made from high-quality silicone that gives the skin a natural appearance and feel. An internal metal skeleton enables the robots to pose in various lifelike positions, closely mimicking human movement. In another development, the Chinese robotics company Magic Lab presented its strategic roadmap up to 2025, revealing its latest humanoid robot, Xiao Mai, along with the quadruped robot project Guan 001. The company officially announced the launch of both projects as part of its upcoming innovations. The 1000 Scenarios initiative is a major effort focused on building a network of 1,000 partners and integrating humanoid robots into a wide variety of real-world applications. The goal is that within 5 years, these robots will be suitable and available for home use. At the heart of Magic Lab's technology is their universal model, Adam Wangang, which is based on a dual-mode architecture featuring both fast and slow processing modules. The fast module handles quick adaptations to environmental changes, while the slow module uses multimodal algorithms to analyze complex tasks and plan over the long term. Thanks to this innovative system, the humanoid robot Xiao Mai has already mastered a variety of professional roles, including salesperson, presenter, hairdresser, service staff, and traffic controller. During a live demonstration, Xiao Mai, equipped with ultrasonic sensors, LiDAR, and RGBD cameras, showed its ability to take customer orders, provide consultations, navigate around obstacles, and carry objects using its grippers. Special focus was also placed on the quadruped robot Guan 001, which is designed to support people with visual impairments. This robot integrates navigation features with visual and voice-based interaction, enabling users to shop, call taxis, and make payments more independently. As part of the Guan 001 project, Magic Lab plans to fully utilize the robot's multimodal interactive capabilities to enhance mobility and improve daily life for the visually impaired. This project was also a key highlight during Magic Lab's strategic roadmap presentation for the year 2025. Magic Lab is actively developing advanced embodied intelligence technologies with the aim of integrating humanoid and quadruped robots into everyday life, including support for people with special needs. Meanwhile, another Chinese tech company, Astrobot, recently showcased the telepresence capabilities of its humanoid robot, Astrobot S1. This robot can carry out a variety of household tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and interacting with pets. It can function autonomously or be remotely operated using a virtual reality headset, allowing users to control it in real time. Astrobot S1 features 2 advanced robotic arms, each with 7 degrees of freedom, which provide high precision and smooth motion. The arms can move at speeds up to 10 meters per second and lift objects weighing up to 10 kilograms. In demo videos, the robot demonstrates impressive accuracy and dexterity in completing complex tasks. Astrobot S1 is capable of handling everyday caregiving tasks like making waffles, pouring tea, and feeding a cat. It's equipped with advanced sensors and a computer vision system that allows it to understand its surroundings and interact safely with various objects. Recently, Sarir Dynamics unveiled its new robotic arm called Artist Light. This state-of-the-art robotic limb is engineered to deliver high precision and flexible movement, closely mimicking the dexterity of a human hand. The Artist Light features an innovative control system that allows for extremely accurate operation. It's built using cutting-edge materials and technologies, which make it both lightweight and highly durable. The arm is capable of performing delicate tasks, grasping and handling objects of different shapes, sizes, and fragility, with remarkable precision. Its user-friendly interface and programmable motion options make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple object handling to complex, fine-tuned operations. Meanwhile, engineers at Elephant Robotics have developed a portable exoskeletal controller known as the MyController S570. This wearable device attaches to a user's arm and enables real-time transmission of motion, offering precise control over robotic systems. One of its standout features is the ability to track detailed movements, not just of the hand, but also the wrist, elbow, and even individual fingers. With built-in sensors, the S570 can be used for tasks like grasping and moving objects, controlling robotic arms, or modeling motion patterns for machine learning applications. It supports multiple connectivity options, including USB, Bluetooth, and wireless, making it adaptable for various use cases. Weighing less than 800 grams per arm and featuring an ergonomic design, it's comfortable to wear even during extended use. In another advancement, engineers from Seer Robotics in China have introduced the wheeled Humanoid, a next-generation humanoid robot. Built on the wheeled platform, this robot blends human-like form with enhanced mobility, making it particularly well-suited for use in industrial and warehouse settings. Unlike traditional bipedal robots, the wheeled humanoid is equipped with a wheeled base, which provides greater stability, improved maneuverability, and reduced production complexity. This design makes it a practical solution for environments that demand both efficiency and flexibility. Thanks to its cost-effective design and high efficiency, the wheeled humanoid is well-suited for large-scale operations, such as factory floors and warehouse environments. Its ability to transport heavy loads sets it apart, something that traditional bipedal robots often struggle with due to stability and reliability challenges. The robot offers 26 degrees of freedom and comes equipped with 8 advanced sensors for comprehensive obstacle detection. This allows it to navigate complex and dynamic environments smoothly, making it a valuable asset in industrial settings. Let us know in the comments what you found most interesting about the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one.